All right, folks, what we have here is a 2021 TrailBlazer. We're going to reset the oil oil reset light, which is on the dashboard when you first turn the key on. We're going to be using this arrow buttons and this wheel. Okay, so let's turn the key on. You don't have to start the car, but I believe you can if you wanted to. See, change oil soon. We are going to use this arrow, I think to the left, and I'm going to change the screen to this area. Okay, then we're going to use the arrow again. We're going to move it over to vehicle. Okay, there you go. Once you get the vehicle, then we're going to use the wheel. We're going to use the wheel. We're going to spin it until we see the oil life one. Tire pressure, oil filter life is okay. Remaining oil life, there you go, 7%. That's the one you want. When you get here, what you want to do is you want to hold this wheel and push it in. I'm going to use this as the enter button. I'm going to say enter. So I'm going to push it in. We've got to hold it. Let me see if I can hold it. Yeah, I held it. Then it goes over here where it says, are you sure you want to reset it? We're going to use the arrow going up. No, let's use the wheel going up. Yes, use the wheel to go up to hit yes. Hit it again. I guess you have to hold it. There you go, 100%. All right, a little impatient. I hit the button again, but there it is, 100%. All done. All right, so if you want, you can shut it off. Start it up again. Oil life is reset. You can bring it back to the customer. Bring it back to trip, I believe that's where it was. All right, so yeah, that's it. Basically, fairly simple. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao.